और ये जो डस्टर वगैरह पड़ा है इसको नीचे रख दें, मार्कर्स डस्टर्स इनको नीचे रख दें ताकि कंफर्टेबली आप बोल सकें। Yes, thank you. Now you can start again.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shahabuddin, doing electrical engineering in UH Lahore. Today I am here to present a review on the book Rahe Azam Mein, In the Path of Determination. This book is written by a renowned motivational speaker, writer and a teacher, the #1 public speaker in Pakistan, Mr. Qasim Ali Shah. He mentioned a short biography or a brief biography on his life in this book. And the main theme of the main theme of this book is the determination and importance of goal. Determination is the potential and self-confidence to do something. But first of all, we have to set a goal for ourselves. If we haven't set a goal for ourselves, we are just like a smoke going there and here. Therefore, first of all, we should set a goal for our life, in our life, and then we should be determined to achieve our goal. If we are not determined, then it's difficult. As we have selected our goal, but it will be different for us. It will be very difficult for us to achieve that goal if we are not determined.
Okay, this is very good. Overall, it's quite fine. The accent is good. Where are you from? That's great, awesome. Keep it up. Which area specifically?
It's
Gilgit City. Good. Thank you. Good job. Excellent.